Use any of the appropriate properties of exponents to simplify the expression. Your answer should only contain positive exponents. As you notice, there's an outside negative exponent here for this group, and also a negative outside exponent here. What that's going to do is take a reciprocal of both of those factors. Those factors are contained inside parentheses, so we'll leave those there. Everything in the denominator of this first factor will be in the numerator, x to the negative 2y cubed, and everything in the numerator will now show up in the denominator. Same thing for the second factor. Everything here in the denominator, because of the outside negative exponent, will become the numerator, and everything here in the numerator will be in the denominator. Okay, before we can really clear these parentheses, we should simplify inside. Inside here we still have a negative exponent, so we will take this x to the negative 2 power and drop it down into the denominator. Here we have an x to the negative 2. That one will be moved up to the numerator. And we also have a y to the negative 1. That'll also be moved up to the numerator. So in this first parenthesis we still have y cubed in the numerator. In the denominator we still have 5x cubed and a y. But now we also have that x squared from the numerator. We still have 15 in the numerator. And now we have the x squared from the denominator, since it had a negative exponent, and the x and the y to the fourth, and also the y to the negative 1 power is being moved up to the numerator. And in the denominator, the only thing we still have down there is 4. Okay, at this point, since everything's being multiplied together and there are no outside exponents, we could reduce any denominator with any numerator. So we can reduce this 15 and 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Down here in the denominator we have a y. In the numerator we had a y cubed, so now that's going to be a y squared. And that looks like it for denominators and numerator. Oh, here's a x squared and an x, which happens to be x to the third power. And in this denominator we also have an x to the third power, so we can reduce that out completely. Let's simplify this answer and see what we get. This is equal to y squared, y to the fourth, and y is y to the seventh. Numbers, we have the number 3, so that's still a 3 in the numerator. In the denominator we have an x squared and a 4. And there you have it, your final answer. There are more videos showing negative exponents if you'd like to get another one.